You can adjust the images in the Ballyland early keyboarding software Any Key Goes game to suit the individual vision needs of your student. The software is fully accessible for students who are blind, but the visual design of the game also supports children with low vision. So I'll show you how to do this. You go to Any Key Goes, and then you use the standard zoom function of your computer with the right mouse click, zoom in, and then you drag the enlarged image so that it is centered in the basket of the Any Key Goes game. And that's why the basket is there. To return to normal view, you can use the right mouse click to zoom out. But when you press a key now, in this mode, animations and images are shown enlarged in the central position on the screen with no clutter. For instance, if I press the key A,
brushing teeth.
You can also adjust the colors in Any Key Goes. To do this, you should go to the settings. You can click on the button or use Shift+S. The default setting is automatic standard colors. You can turn manual colors on to access the color control panel, which is fully accessible, and off resets the images to the automatic standard colors. I will show you some examples of adjusting these colors to suit individual vision needs. First, I will turn on manual colors and then go to the color control panel. In this case, I have set the outline to black, the fill to white, and the background to white. And the result is simple, uncluttered. It's a black and white line image. The next example, I use different colors. For the outline, I choose yellow. For the fill, I choose pink. And for the background, I choose blue. Do OK. And now, for instance, the elephant looks very different.
An elephant!